How to activate audio control option on iOS 18. So if your phone is using iOS 18 and you want to activate this audio control option whenever your iPhone screen is locked and you have a media playing, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to activate audio control option on iPhone on lock screen, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once opened the settings app, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now, once you selected accessibility, scroll down the page until you get to audio and visual and then click on that. Now, once you selected audio and visual, on the audio and visual page, locate always show volume control text and then make sure this is turned on. If this is disabled and you have a media playing on your iPhone lock screen, then you should not see the audio control here on the lock screen. But if it is enabled, then you're going to have access to the media control. So always show volume control. So this is going to show the volume control on your iPhone lock screen on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.